Article writing, the 5 benefits of writing your article. Writing articles is a great way to promote your business. No matter what kind of business you are in, writing articles work for you. Many people don't realize the power of writing article, or the influence that an article could bring. It is common for people to hear about writing articles and submitting them to article directories, but it is not so common for people to do it. Since even writing one article takes time, the lazy internet marketer won't do it. But those that are willing to take time to write and submit them will truly generate a good amount of traffic to their website. Article authors recognize and understand that this technique is powerful. That's why they will take their time and write a decent article and submit it to article directories. Here are some benefits that you will get while you start now and submit your articles. Submitting your article to article directories won't cost you a dime. It won't cost you anything to submit your articles to article directory. It takes time, but it won't cost you anything other than that. But this method of driving traffic to your website will have a long-term effect. You will be recognized as expert in your field. When you write decent articles that filled with valuable information, people respect you. They will think you as a teacher because you know something that they don't know. You could generate more sales. Do you realize that writing an article is similar to writing a sales copy? Although both have different purposes, but it is the same principle. One drives traffic, another generates sales. If an article would help you generate more sales, are you willing to do it? You could build a good opt-in list. I really like this one. Writing an article could help you build your opt-in list. You simply add your link to your article and grab their email address. Of course, you'll need to be more natural way. A great example is www.articleunlimited.com. You'll find an article e-course when you sign up for it. An opening opportunity to do joint ventures or find a business partner. I know a friend of mine have used this method to find his partner. Since he wrote many articles, people who found his articles are interested in what he is writing, and they offer an opportunity to him to be joint ventures or business partner. You could do much more with your article if you take the time to write one. It doesn't have to be 1,000 words long. It depends on the information that you gave out. That's what all matter the most. Writing articles is a great way to drive traffic to your website. Don't underestimate the power of article writings. The more you write, the more you enjoy writing it, and the better your article will be.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.